cute.
Do they have a cell phone out here?
That was too cool, man, but then I played.
Todd, do you have your cell phone on you?
Yep.
Can I see it for a little light?
At least you could have had a couple bottle rockets ready or something.
I'm gonna sit back
A
down.
couple of sparklers go off.
Thanks.
That's done.
You don't have to until you start.
Yeah, I was gonna sit down as he starts. Yeah. Yes. I thought I would be in your way. That's why I was asking.
From California to the New York Islands, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land is made for me.
Here you go.
I wonder how those pictures Yeah, but he says everything.
You like it?
Well, it's like the most impressive amateur.
Every year it keeps getting better and better.
Come on, give us something good.
Do it again.
That's gotta be it, right?
No, not just like getting started.
20 minutes. God.
He
Wow.
said 20 minutes of continuous fireworks.
That's like the Boston fireworks.
Yeah.
How crazy is that? I think he's probably far away. Yeah, I think so. He has headphones on.
Oh boy, look out.
Good one.
More of those.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at those things. Oh boy.
Oh, that's like a ball. Where are the sonic rooms? Those little quiet ones? I mean, they're not
This is very different from my bottle rocket days.
Stick a firecracker in an apple days. Yeah. That was pretty fun though.
Ooh, that was pretty. Yeah. That one was just so delicate.
It's
It
like
had
a
it had a
flower.
little flourish at the end.
Zoned in.
Yeah. Ooh.
I was his eyes open though, Adam?
Yeah, totally. Very into it.
Whoa.
Oh!
Dang.
Wow.
Oh my god, that was
Oh my God.
I'm trying to catch these in the camera.
Oh, holy. Holy mackerel. Oh my God. How's Maya and Jacob doing? What's that?
Oh, she did?
Wow. Yeah, these are really intense.
I don't like when I see things go straight.
Wow.
Sideways.
Someone whistled way over there. Did you hear that?
I think that was a firework.
Is that it?
I think it's up
Do
there.
it again.
Okay.
1 minute
1
break.
minute
Oh,
break.
come on!
Do it again.
Amateur!
Get it going!
Oh my God.
It's been 7 minutes so far.
Between firecrackers. The whole pack went off at once.
When those huge ones were going off, Henry looked at me and goes, "Scare me."
Scare me.
Wow, this is way better than most municipal fireworks.
Oh yeah. You go, you.
Like my ears are ringing a little bit.
What?
Wow, that was brutal.
That
Exactly.
was great.
I want to see.
I want to know if he's hit his
7-inch mortars yet.
Hey, next year we're collecting donations
Those
for
bigger-
huge ones.
Those bigger ones have got to be.
Like 24-inch mortars?
Yeah.
It's Kid Catapult.
Like, no, 12-inch mortars. These are 6-inch.
What about a Kid Catapult? We just strap a kid with fireworks and catapult them.
Little baby parachute.
Yeah.
Float down the ground.
I was actually thinking we really should try to build a real.
Got that whiskey there?
Yeah, it's going around
Oh, cool,
somewhere.
cool.
I wonder where it's at, actually.
No, that would be cool too. That'd be fun.
Those I exist. I have staff where the kids land in the water. Yeah.
Oh, Sarah's hogging it again.
Yeah, those are awesome. But
They
I really.
land so that they're like up to their chest in the water and their heads above water, and that's where the harness they have latched in and they get a boat and everything. Oh, alright. They don't drop into the water, which would be cooler.
No, that's what we're thinking. Just a line where you hold on to it.
Yeah.
Sarah, you all good?
That
What?
I like.
You all good on the Puff Puff kid? Oh, you're just gonna keep it?
First time electronic, yes. It looks so much better. Hey, how much better is this than last year?
200-pound bag of sand.
Oh.
Drop it in the little pond.
Oh, yeah, go for it.
Yeah, there's no. They got some big trees on the other side.
Thanks, man.
Shoot low, do it shoot high.
Happens every year.
Wow.
That's this year. Or they have their
Whoa!
pretty big one.
Whoa.
Oh boy.
Jesus.
Do it again.
One more time.
That was like
It's like big
Just
wig.
the launch of it.
Those are those 6-inch ones, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sounds like a cannon,
It's
man.
like raw power, man.
right
I hope that doesn't shoot towards us.
Oh my god. More.
Oh my god! No way!
Oh, boy.
Jeez.
Those were awesome.
Those are totally awesome.
Supposed to happen?
I've never
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
That was cool.
So high.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That one's going to be a problem, so.
That's forest fire.
Yep.
2011.
You guys ready to run?
Run.
To go put it out.
I need a 1 minute again, and then no more breaks.
All right.
And then no more breaks. Oh, that was crazy.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it right.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
We need to buy him
No
two.
joke.
Tell
Gracias.
bigger car.
Yeah, totally.
He needs a bigger car. Nice.
I'll give him my minivan.
Anybody else?
Yeah. That's my best part.